Hey guys, this is Hina from Soulful Adventures, and today we are here to talk about our next sign, that is Taurus. So in my previous videos you may have gone through the Aries videos where I have explained you that this time I'm going to do the different videos upon the zodiac signs, their personality traits, the weakness, strengths, how you should deal with your own issues if you are that sign, how people or how others want to deal with that sign, so that if there are some issues between you both or something, you can understand each other well, right? Now these videos are completely based upon my own observations and experiences which I have with different people in my family, relatives, friends, acquaintances and colleagues who are really very close to me, and these people share life with me, the incidents, the happenings in their life, whether it's good, whether it's bad, and the way they respond to this kind of situations in their life, whether they are happy moments, whether they are some depressing or upset kind of situations. And from them I can observe certain similarities between two people having same sign, and then I have made my notes and these observations, and I'm here to share with you all. Okay, so let's begin with our next sign, and that is Taurus, the second sign of the zodiac cycle. Now Taurus is an earth sign. Okay, so the most important factor of this sign is that they are really very grounded people. Now grounding means they are really real from bottom of the heart. Okay, they don't make differences between choosing friends. For an example, if they want to choose a friend, they won't see what is the status of that person, whether he is rich, he is poor, whether he is from my own field or he is from another field. They won't see that status. That doesn't matter to them. The hobbies, that doesn't matter to them. What they will see is the honesty, the loyalty, and trust me, this is the thing I have seen in many of the Taurian friends and colleagues I have. Okay, they will choose you only because you are honest, loyal with them, and they know that you would be there to support them. Okay, that's the only reason you are friends with them. Otherwise they don't even think about your status in the society, your fame, your work. No, if you are friends with a Taurian person, that means he thinks that you are an honest person, and yes, you have that quality, so be happy about it. Okay, and if you are a Taurian, then be happy that you are choosing right people as your friends, because after all what matters is the honesty and the trust that has to be built in any relationship, whether it's a friendship, whether it is a love relationship, whether it's a family, it's colleague relationship or anything. Okay, so that's one factor of the Taurian people, that they are grounded. The next thing which is very much important about Taurus sign is they have a strong mind and the strength. Okay, Taurus is a zodiac sign which will show you what real inner strength is. They have high endurance to all kind of situations. Okay, they are the people, they will do most of the hard work, and still they are willing to take the responsibilities and do it. Okay, they have this kind of inner strength as well as external strength. Now if you imagine Taurus is a bull, so they are maybe a very strong and muscular kind of body type and a very heavy body type. So no guys, it's not like that. Trust me, I have a Taurus friend who is really very thin, but still she has extreme I can say the inner strength to cope up in her life. She is wonderful in handling her family life as well as her work life. Okay, she is wonderful in balancing them. I have never seen her getting ferocious. Like I said you in my earlier video of Aries, that sometimes they can get very angry, they can throw things, and it's really difficult to handle the situation with Aries when they are angry. But with Taurus, it's like they become silent when they are hurt. They cry to themselves, and that's only thing I have seen. I have never seen that person getting raged and angry about it and like shouting loudly or screaming. No, that kind of energy they don't have. They are very straightforward people. Trust me, Taurus, another quality other than the grounding and strength is they have very calculated lifestyle. They are fixed energies, they are fixed in their thoughts, they have fixed things to carry out, and they won't accept any nonsense from anybody. Okay, they will only trust you if you show them some tangible things, the facts, the proofs, the truth. If you are talking in air, if you are trying to make them understand something which is not tangible, and if you are just explaining them something imaginary or can happen, but you have no plans, no foolproof plans, they are not people who are going to get convinced by you. Okay, show them truth, show them facts, proofs, and then they will support you and take you seriously 100%. Okay, so this is Taurus. Now how to identify a Taurian? Okay, now see, I completely understand that if we see a person, it's not if I think that this is a Taurus person, he has to be a Taurus person. No, right? If this is an Arian, he has to be Arian. If this is a Gemini, he has to be. No, it's not like that. Okay, but there are some qualities in each sign from the physical body or the way of talking, the way of seeing, looking, you can understand or at least guess that this person can be this sign. Okay, for Taurus I can say you body types can be anything, like they can be thin, they can be muscular, but a very peculiar thing and very strong thing they have is the steady gaze. Okay, now Taurus are, as I told you, they don't understand anything which is fake. They are really very real person, honest people, so they have very steady gaze. Okay, they can look into your eyes without blinking for minutes. Okay, and other than that, they can straightly look into your eyes with that steadiness in their eyes. Okay, so it's like if you are making an eye contact with a Taurus, any male, female, both of them, you can understand the way they look at you is like they are scanning you by looking only in your eyes. So the contact they make, it's really very steady. So it's really very easy to identify a Taurus person. So for an example, I can give you how to identify another than the steady gaze. If suppose there is you are on a vacation with friends. Okay, there are 5-6 friends, you are on vacation and you see that everybody makes a plan. So okay, I will go so I'll give you an example of how to identify a Taurus other than the steady gaze. Okay, now it's not always available to, or it's always fine to see someone in their eyes or to check that steady gaze. So how to understand who, or how to figure out who Taurus is? So in 5-6 friends, if you are on a vacation, you can see that everybody is planning that I will go on shopping, someone is telling that I'll go on sightseeing, someone is telling I will go swimming, or all this kind of things. You will see if there is a Taurus in your group, that person will definitely tell you that I will sleep in my couch. Okay, though we are on vacation, this thing with a drink in a hand, I will sit or I will sleep in the room itself on my couch. I will be very much comfortable over here, and you guys carry on. Okay, so it's really very easy to identify a Taurus energy. It doesn't mean that they are lazy. They just want to have their own space and be comfortable. So comfort is what matters to Taurus. Okay, they are people who looks for comfort, luxury, the royal kind of treatment they want, and it's not necessary that they will expect it from everybody. Okay, they will expect that only from themselves. Like it's okay if you want to go and watch a movie, if you want to go on a vacation, you want to swim, you want to do whatever you want to do, but I am giving this privilege to myself that I am going to sleep in my couch or on my bed. Okay, and that's it. They don't want anything from you, and you have to carry out with your plans. You cannot make them, understand that yes, this is a vacation, we are on vacation, so we need to enjoy. For them, enjoyment can be sleeping in a bed or just relaxing, and that's it. This is very easy to identify a Taurian energy. Now all Taurians obviously would be not like that, but whatever observations I had, I'm sharing with you. Other than that, if I can say, what important thing is for Taurus, which I have seen with my friends, is that they are foodie. Now Taurus is an energy that they love food, they love experimenting with food, they love all kinds of food, and they have this interest in food. I mean, the way they eat, if you see a Taurus while eating, it's the most innocent thing, I feel personally. The way they will look at each morsel, the way they will put it, they do it with very much dedication and love. The art of eating, we can see. So Taurus' favorite hobby or favorite thing is food eating. So any type of food they love to experiment with dishes, and they're very much happy about it. So if you want to make friendships with Taurus, start talking to them about the food and different type of cuisines and eating them, and they will enjoy it. Okay, so this is a one way to impress Taurus if you are trying to impress one or trying to make friends with one. Other than that, they are very happy people. Okay, it's nothing like that they have any issues or something with them. They are really very happy people. Now, so as we spoke about these friends, that they have a strong endurance, they are very much grounded, they have a very strong inner strength, and they are foodie, then they have their own space, and they like to get cozy in their own space and comfortable in that. They have a steady gaze, they are honest. Okay, the other thing which we need to talk about is the weaknesses. Now Taurus is an energy which is a fixed sign. Okay, they have only one weakness as far as possible. I have observed in Taurians, because they make great friends, because they love honesty, they know how to keep up with the relations. Okay, it's like they will make all the efforts if you are that trustworthy and honest, and they will try to support you 100% if you are correct, and they are the people who are going to be with you till the end. Okay, so if you have anyone who is a Taurian energy or Taurian zodiac sign, please keep them, because they are the keepers. Okay, now we will talk about their one weakness, and that one weakness is the fixed energy they have. Okay, now guys, it really becomes difficult sometimes for making a Taurus understand that people can have different point of view, they can have different perspectives in life. Okay, it means that if you see the half glass is empty, someone can see that half glass is full, and you have to accept it. Okay, so it's not every time that you will find some tangible proofs or facts, or I can say something to touch, something to see and then believe. No, there is something you have to accept which is intangible and still true. Okay, so if you are a Taurus, then understand that different people have different point of views, different perspective to think. It's not like if you are thinking this is a structured way it should be, then it's not, because people have their way of thinking and people have their own ideas. You have to listen to them and sometimes accept it. Okay, so if you overcome this weakness, that if you are open to others people views, their point of views, their perspective, their learnings, their thoughts, and if you try to grasp those, try to convince yourself, even if they are not showing you any proofs or in return or something kind of thing, but if you trust them, then I think it is much better for you also to make more friends, to be in a good relation with them, right? And not to harm yourself, Taurus, because it happens that if you are very close to someone and that person is telling the truth but he has nothing to prove about it, right? Just because you are not believing that person, because he is not giving you any proofs or facts or any kind of tangible things to believe him, it doesn't mean that he is disloyal to you or dishonest to you. It can really mean at that time he doesn't really have any proofs, but he is honest and he is telling you the truth. So try to trust that people, right? And in this way you will understand that you can also trust people and make good friends, and sometimes it's necessary to give value to other people point of view also, right? And other than that, it can happen that I have seen Taurus people about a sickness or illness. I can tell you, I have friends and colleagues who have this cough and cold like whole year kind of thing. So if you are a Taurian, then I don't know, maybe if you relate to this, you can have a problem of cough and cold throughout the year, because that is what I have observed. If that's the thing, then I suggest you're not people. See, Taurus is not a person who will go to doctor unless and until it is something huge. Okay, so Taurus is not an energy or not a zodiac sign who will go to doctor unless and until it is something huge. Okay, they do not they don't fall sick usually, but whenever they do, it takes lot of time to recover. Okay, some of the Taurians can have back problems also. So it's like that. It's not something which they have and is going to recover in 2 to 3 days. No, they can take a longer time to recover, and most probably Taurus are kind of energy where they will believe in self-healing because they are earth sign. So they will prefer to self-heal by doing all this household totkas, what we can say, like hot water, drinking hot water, the haldi water, taking the steam and all those kind of thing. But they will try to take the medicines, not take the medicines at the first stage, right? So this is a Taurus energy. So only one weakness you have, guys, and that is you have to give other chances to speak up about their thoughts and to accept their point of views and then carry out your work, right? And yeah, to try to not become too fixed, because it will then have some it will bring some issues in your own life, right? If you be really very fixed and rigid in your thoughts. Okay, don't be stubborn. Yeah, Taurus can become stubborn sometimes. That is one of the negative point of Taurus, that if I want it, that means I want it. It's okay to desire and to fulfill your goals, but sometimes this rigidity, this fixed nature can become a stubborn kind of thing, and that is not good, right? So that's the only thing you need to work upon, guys. Otherwise, you are the most loyal friend, the honest friends. You will support your friends, and yeah, you will be giving 100% in your friendship, and you will try to keep yourself happy and that person happy once you trust that person. Okay, so with this, if you have any Taurus friends, or you yourself is a Taurian, and if you can relate to this kind of idea, please comment and share your feedbacks in the comment section. And if you have anything else to tell me, or to update me upon the behavior patterns, the strengths, the weakness about a Taurus person, and anything, you can just share it, and I can help myself to upgrade my knowledge about that. Okay guys, so with this, thank you, bye bye.